An agrarian country like India, where more than 50% population is dependent on agriculture as means of employment and sustenance, land plays a very important role, full stop. Land reform usually refers to equitable distribution of land between all the strata of society, full stop. Before independence, our agrarian society was governed by semi-feudal principles, full stop. This society was broadly divided into four classes, the cultivating holders, the intermediaries come cultivating holders, tenants at will and agricultural laborers, full stop. The agricultural laborers were the unemployed, underemployed and seasonal employed class of the agrarian society, full stop. Other classes constituted small and large landowners, full stop. The feudal structure of society led to the backwardness of society and sheer poverty among the rural masses, as land is the major source of wealth and social hierarchy, para. Fruits are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, fibers and proteins, full stop. We should eat fresh fruits to keep ourselves healthy, full stop. But, we should not eat the fruits which are already cut, as they are very unhygienic and can make us ill, full stop. Growing with times, State Bank of India continues to redefine banking in India because it aims to offer responsible and sustainable banking solutions, full stop. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana is a scheme launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on April 8th, 2015 for providing loans up to 10 lakh to the non-corporate, small or micro enterprises, full stop. These loans are given by commercial banks, regional rural banks, small finance banks, cooperative banks, microfinance institutions and non-banking financial companies, full stop. We should wash fruits thoroughly before eating them, full stop. While some fruits are seasonal, others are available throughout the year, full stop. Some are very expensive while others are reasonable, full stop. Mangoes and cherries are my favorite fruits, full stop. The borrower can approach any of the lending institution mentioned above or can apply online through this portal, full stop. Under the aegis of PMMY Mudra has created three products, namely, Shishu, Kishore and Tarun to signify the stage of growth and development of entrepreneurs, full stop. Our country has plenty of fruits which are available in all shapes, sizes and colors, para. Food is a basic necessity of life. The food we eat is absorbed by our body and is used to run metabolic process and sustain life, full stop. Food is essential for growth and various process of life, full stop. An array of food in our daily diet includes vegetables, fruits, legumes, pulses, grains, etc. Full stop. All of these either consumers raw or made into delicacies, full stop. But, nowadays, you might have seen very thin milk due to mixing with water, white, yellow or black pebbles in raw pulses, white tiny stones mixed with rice and so on, full stop. This mixing of elements with food items is adulteration of food, full stop. When food is contaminated with external sources or when its natural composition or quality if changed, it is adulterated, full stop. Food adulteration has serious effects on our health, full stop. Despite various measures taken by the government, spreading awareness about the hazards of food adulteration are deployed by the food industries using various chemicals and synthetic substances. Full stop. Food adulteration is a legal offense, and when the food fails to meet the legal standards set by the government, comma, it is said to have been adulterated. Full stop. Food adulteration takes place when intentionally or unintentionally substances that degrade the quality of food are added to it. Full stop. Thus, comma, food adulteration can be defined set he contamination or adulteration of food or food materials by adding harmful substances to it. Full stop. The substances that lower the quality of food and added to food are called adulterants. Full stop. It is a substance found within other food substances that hamper the natural quality of the food. Full stop. The adulterant may be present in any form and in any quantity. Full stop. Adulterants are mostly harmful and pose the ability to lower the potency of the product. Full stop. Even if the adulterant is not harmful, comma, it reduces the nutrition value of the food to a greater extent. Full stop. Some adulterants are also identified as carcinogenic or lethal when exposed for a longer period. Full stop. Different types of adulterants are used to adulterate different types of food. Full stop. A substance that degrades the quality of food or turns it hazardous is added to it. Full stop. Cheaper or low quality substances are used as a substitute for whole or a few ingredients. Full stop. A constituent of food is a partly or wholly taken out which reduces the quality of food. Full stop. However, comma, when it is adulterated, comma, then it is served with harmful substances or its color is changed to make it look better. Full stop. Anything that depreciates the quality of food is added to or abstracted from it. Full stop. Food adulteration can be in the mixing of pulses with sand particles, comma, pebbles, comma, mixing milk with harmful substances or its color is changed to make it look better. Full stop. Anything that depreciates the quality of food is added to or abstracted from it. Full stop. Food adulteration can be in the mixing of pulses with sand particles, comma, pebbles, comma, mixing milk with water, comma, mixing oil with chemical derivatives or cheaper oils, comma, packing low quality food products with fresh and high quality ones, comma, etc. Full stop. These are a few methods of food alteration. Full stop. For many years, comma, you have might have noticed the practice of adding water to milk to increase its quantity and gain more profit from less volume of milk. Full stop. Similarly, comma, food adulteration is practiced as a part of business strategy to gain more profit by cheaper means. Full stop. It is also done to make the food attractive and as an imitation of some other food which is more in demand. Full stop. Food adulteration is many times done by those who do not have a proper understanding of its hazards. Full stop. Due to lack of awareness and proper knowledge, comma, it is still widely practiced, comma. Adulteration increases the weight of the food, comma, helps gain more profit and increases sales in cheaper ways. Full stop. The increasing rate of the population also plays a major role in food adulteration. Full stop. There is inefficiency of government initiatives to control it. Full stop. Government should bring the bill with the provision of life imprisonment or death penalty to the food adulterators. full stop. Sometimes, comma, substances which look similar to the constituents of the food are added to it to increase its weight and gain more profit, full stop.